Ever notice how your phone acts like a superhero when it's brand new, and then slowly turns into a tired uncle who sighs before standing up? One day it's lightning fast. The next, it freezes just trying to open the camera, like it needs a motivational speech just to take a selfie. Why does your once-speedy phone suddenly move like it's wading through peanut butter? I'm Professor Everything, and today we'll be answering the question, why do phones slow down over time? Right here on Explaining Everything. Remember when you first bought your phone? It was empty, fresh, lightweight, like a toddler before it discovers sugar. But apps don't stay small. Oh no. Every update adds new features, new graphics, new animations, new ways to drain your soul and your RAM. Apps evolve. Your phone? Not so much. Here's the important part. Developers design apps for newer, more powerful phones. Your phone is quietly aging, but still trying to keep up. This is how Instagram goes from I just show you pictures to I can edit videos, run AI filters, send DMs, accept payments, launch a spaceship. Even the operating system updates get heavier. New versions of iOS and Android require more storage, more RAM, more processing power, all things your older device still has in the same old amounts. Your phone is basically trying to run a marathon in the same shoes it bought in 2018. And to make it worse, apps love multitasking now. Even simple apps constantly run background processes, checking notifications, refreshing feeds, preparing just-in-case data, all of which your older phone handles like an exhausted intern doing overtime. Phones slow down dramatically when storage is nearly full, especially the last 10 to 15%. Why? Because your phone needs free space to function, like saving temporary files, running apps smoothly, installing updates, and not having a meltdown. Modern apps constantly create cache, temporary files that help them load faster. But over time, your phone becomes hoarder-level messy. It's like your device went, let me save everything, forever, just in case. Once storage gets packed, your phone can't create new temporary files efficiently. This makes apps stutter, freeze, or take longer to open, like they're thinking about their life choices. Your gallery alone probably contains 400 photos of your cat, 90 screenshots you swear you'll delete later, and 10 identical videos you filmed just to be safe. Your phone is tired. It's carrying emotional and digital baggage. And don't forget app leftovers. Even after you delete apps, many leave behind random files like tiny digital crumbs. Over time, those crumbs pile up into a buffet, and your phone is forced to chew through all that junk every time it loads something. Yes, this part is true and scientifically legitimate. Batteries age. Lithium-ion batteries lose capacity over time due to charge cycles, heat, deep draining, normal chemical wear. After 1 to 2 years, your battery can no longer provide the same stable power it used to. And here's the twist. When the battery can't keep up, your phone slows down to prevent crashes. Literally. If your processor ran full speed on an old battery, your phone would randomly shut down, glitch, restart, have the digital equivalent of a panic attack. So manufacturers intentionally limit performance on older batteries, so your phone stays on instead of passing out like an overheated laptop. Your phone isn't sabotaging you. It's trying not to faint. And here's the funny part. When you replace the battery, your phone suddenly behaves like it's been resurrected. Faster apps, smoother performance. It's like giving your phone a fresh heart transplant and watching it sprint like it's in its early 20s again. Fun fact, heat is one of the biggest killers of phone performance. When it gets hot, your phone slows down to protect itself. A process called thermal throttling. This can happen when you game too long, the sun hits your phone, you charge while using it. Apps run in the background constantly. Dust clogs the internals. Yes, it happens. Over time, little bits of the phone age. Thermal paste dries out. Chips become less efficient. Flash storage gets slower after years of rewrites. Background processes multiply like digital rabbits. Your phone is fighting a war you can't see. It's doing its best. It just needs a nap. A long nap. Maybe forever. And even tiny temperature changes matter. A phone that's kept hot ages way faster, meaning every gaming marathon or long GPS session slowly cooks the internal components. Think of it as your phone quietly roasting like a potato. So, why do phones slow down over time? Because apps get heavier, storage fills up, batteries wear out, hardware ages, and heat makes everything worse. Phones aren't built to stay fast forever. They're tiny computers crammed into a pocket-sized sauna. But the good news, a few simple habits can help. Clear storage, delete unused apps, reduce background tasks, and replace the battery if needed. Your phone may never feel brand new again, but at least now you know it isn't being dramatic. It's just aging, like all of us. One slow, laggy day at a time. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other bingeable channels. Thank you for tuning in and join us next time here in the channel that answers all the why, what, who, where, and how questions you've always wondered about here on Explaining Everything.